Hello, teacher and the student. My name is Janet Guayosan. Memories of my childhood. Um, my my memories are from school with my friend Luz Marina Zuluaga and Luz Marina Ruge and Nielsen Parra. We played basketball and we dancing ballet, played volleyball. Um, my experience was when I graduated from high school in the college theater Enrico La Herrera. Um, we went home celebrating with little money in a cafeteria, eating fruit salad and cookies with my friend Luz and Nielsen and me. It was special and fun. We had no money, little money, um, little money. We celebrate with a trip to the pool with all my friends from the school. How much um, and we today we are still great friends and we continued to share with our families and children, father, mother, grandfather, and grandmother of my friends, Luz Marina. Thank you. Bye.